little mouse.
Well, what I like about the books is I like the hard covers and the hard pages. I think this makes it a sturdy book. Parents want to take them out for the day. They can take them with the children. They're so colourful. The pictures are really attractive and it's really appealing to children and children with special educational needs.
How are you feeling? How do you think Little Mouse is feeling? Happy.
There's a lot of emphasis at the moment on mental health and children's well-being, so I think this is very apt just for discussing how children feel and what situations they feel angry, and maybe just talking about how they can overcome those feelings. It's really important that we do discuss them with small children up to older children.
I feel strong when I'm confident. I believe I can do anything.